If you are trying to get monetized right now, you probably saw the latest update from YouTube. YouTube is changing the requirement for ads revenue. So as from 2027, the YouTube requirements for monetization will now be 8,000 watch hours instead of 4,000 watch hours. And now, if you are already struggling to get 4,000 watch hours, this might come as a blow to you. And you might be asking yourself, how am I supposed to get 8,000 watch hours when I am already struggling to get 4,000 watch hours? I completely agree with you. I completely understand. This is quite the news. But before you start to panic, there is something I need you all to understand. If you were already working towards monetization, you should also consider the fact that the requirement does not take effect from today. So this should definitely impact how you think or your mindset towards this recent update. So let's quickly highlight what exactly YouTube changed and what you should be doing right now as a creator. Currently, in 2026, the requirement for ad revenue is still 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. And if you are planning to monetize with shorts, you still need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views in the last 90 days. And for the 4,000 watch hours, you need to meet up to that requirement in the last 365 days, which is equivalent to 1 year. But as from 1st of February 2027, this requirement is going to be different. So it means if you are applying for monetization after February 1st, or as from February 1st, 2027, you would need to have 1,000 subscribers, 8,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. All right. So if you would go and apply for monetization in February 2027 and you have just 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you might not even have the apply button activated because you need to now meet 8,000 watch hours. But before that February 2027, you still have the chance to get monetized with just 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And for the shorts, you would need 20 million views in the last 90 days, which will be taking effect once again as from February 2027. And another thing I want to clarify is YouTube clearly stated that these changes does not affect people who are already monetized. Okay, if you already monetized with 4,000 watch hours, 1K subscribers, you don't have to panic. You don't have to think you need to get 8,000 watch hours now to keep your monetization. No, these changes does not affect you in any way. So kudos to everyone that already got their channel monetized. This one here does not affect you unless you are working on a new channel and you want to monetize another channel. So now here's where I think creators should change their thinking. All right, because this update has, triggered a lot of panic amongst new creators who are trying to monetize, which I understand very well, because even getting the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers is very difficult for some creators. Okay, so it doesn't come that easy. Of course, some people are fortunate enough to get those requirements met within a few weeks or a few months, but there are still other people who have been uploading for the past 2-3 years and they are still yet to meet those thresholds. Now, receiving this news of 8,000 watch hours and 20 million views for shorts is quite mind-blowing, and I can understand why you would even consider giving up right now and getting into panic mode and all that. So I want you to take a pause and just think differently for 1 second, okay? So instead of panicking and thinking of giving up, why don't you sit down and ask yourself, can I still meet my 4,000 watch hours before January 2027? These are the questions you should be asking yourself right now, because you still have a window, you still have time before the new requirement takes effect. So instead of wallowing in self-pity or in discouragement, start asking yourself the right questions. How can I get my 4,000 watch hours before January 2027? Do I still have a chance? What can I do differently? You should focus your energy and attention on the right questions. So instead of allowing the thought of 8,000 watch hours to completely drain you, why don't you sit down, take a look at your channel, see how many watch hours you already have, check how your channel is doing, check what you need to fix to get more views coming in and get your 4,000 watch hours faster, right? This is where your energy should be going right now. And please do not make the wrong move by being irrational, because while people are panicking, some people are actively making the wrong choices, wrong decisions right now. So don't be among those people who will make the wrong decisions. Because right now, some people might hear 8,000 watch hours and think all they need to do is to be pumping videos on their channel like 5 times a day or 20 times a week. But would that really be the solution? Because think of it this way. If you are pumping videos into your channel and still the videos are not getting views, you are still not going to get the 4,000 watch hours. So your main focus here is how to get more views, how to get people binge watching your content, all right? The answer right now is not pumping millions of videos into your channel, especially when your channel is still struggling with low views. So creating multiple videos in a week might not be the best strategy for you right now. First of all, you need to fix other things before thinking into that direction, because you need views at the end of the day. So what you actually need right now is more watch time from the videos you already have on your channel, all right? So you have to focus and analyze your videos, see which topics are working, see which videos are giving you more watch time. Check out your playlist, all right? And you need better hooks, better retention for your videos, you know, to keep people watching. So these are the things right now you need to focus on as a new creator who is trying to monetize their channel. So instead of thinking, I need 4,000 watch hours now, or I need 8,000 watch hours, your thinking should be, I need more people to watch my videos. I need people to watch my videos from start to finish. What do I do to make this happen? These are the questions you should be asking, because once you can get people to watch your videos more and more from start to finish, automatically the algorithm is going to push your videos to more people and the views will come in and you have your watch hours. So don't forget that the lower entry points for your YPP is unchanged, okay? YouTube did not make any changes for the fan funding requirements and the YouTube shopping requirement, okay? They did not make any changes. So it's not as if you don't get to 8,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers that you cannot earn at all from YouTube. And apart from the whole YouTube monetization thing, there are other means you can actually earn on YouTube if you know your way out. So one thing I want you to take away from this video is do not panic. Yes, YouTube has changed their requirements, but it's not the end of the world. We can always find our way around it, all right? So instead of focusing on what seems impossible, focus on the things you can actually actively start doing right now to increase your chances of getting that 4,000 watch hours. And don't forget, the question you should be asking yourself right now is, what can I do to get my 4,000 watch hours before February 2027? That is the question you should ask yourself, and don't think too much about the 8,000 watch hours for now. You still have a window, you still have a few months until that time, so make it count and find a way to meet the easier requirements before that deadline. All right, so that will be it for me today. If you're watching me for the first time, welcome. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel, and on here I share with you strategies and tips how you can grow here safely on YouTube, and I also share my experience with you on the mistakes I made on this particular channel so that you don't have to make them again. So if that sounds interesting to you, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment and share so that this message can get to other creators out there. Until next time, thank you for watching and Bye-bye for now.